Samsung has officially entered a new era of Android dominance with the launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This latest flagship device is set to redefine the smartphone experience, offering unparalleled performance and cutting-edge features that cater to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, a powerhouse that showcases remarkable improvements over its predecessors. The CPU is 44% faster, the GPU is 40% faster, and the NPU is 45% faster, all while delivering 40% better power efficiency. Built on Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, this chip brings near PC-level performance to the smartphone, making it a game-changer in the mobile industry. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip enables console-level gaming on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, as demonstrated by the smooth gameplay of titles like Assassin's Creed. Samsung and Qualcomm are also collaborating with game studios to fully harness this power, promising an exciting future for mobile gaming. Additionally, AI advancements allow the Galaxy's AI assistant to interact with the camera for real-time responses, such as reading receipts, enhancing the overall user experience. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip also brings significant advancements in AI and camera technology. The on-device video editing capabilities are enhanced thanks to a 35% faster AI ASP camera unit. This unit can handle up to 320MP images, which significantly boosts the performance of Samsung's 200MP sensor, resulting in superior video quality. These improvements ensure that users can capture and edit high-resolution videos directly on their device, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a powerful tool for content creators. Samsung's new One UI 7.0 is designed to optimize performance, delivering the smoothest Galaxy experience yet. This latest version of One UI aims to make the most of the hardware capabilities of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, ensuring that every interaction is fluid and responsive. The combination of powerful hardware and refined software creates a seamless user experience that stands out in a crowded smartphone market. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in 4 stunning colors: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Additionally, there may be exclusive colors available online, providing more choices for consumers. Physical leaks of screen protectors have revealed a new rounded edge design for the S25 Ultra, adding to its sleek and modern aesthetic. This design change not only enhances the device's look, but also improves its ergonomics, making it more comfortable to hold in use. As we look forward to the release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there is a slight risk of a limited supply in 2025. This potential shortage could be due to high demand and production challenges, so it's advisable for interested buyers to stay updated and act quickly once pre-orders open. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a display with improved brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles, enhancing the overall visual experience. However, to save costs, Samsung has decided to use the M13 panel from the S24 Ultra instead of the newer, more efficient M14 panel. Despite this, the display quality remains top-notch, ensuring vibrant and clear visuals. The Galaxy S25 series will offer a variety of color options to suit different tastes. The S25 will be available in Moon Night Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green. The S25 Plus will add Midnight Black to the mix. For the S25 Ultra, the colors include titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver, with additional online exclusive colors yet to be announced. These options provide a range of stylish choices for consumers. Thanks for watching.